Hey, how's it going? Reece here. I wanted to record a quick video. It's obviously Black Friday week now, so I wanted to record a quick video and kind of show you how you can capitalize on this in your own agency. And this strategy that I'm going to be showing you today is not just for Black Friday, but also for everything really that's going to happen in the future. You can do this pretty much whenever you want to do it. It's just like a promotion that you're going to be offering. But obviously I'm shooting this video primarily because Black Friday is coming. But if you're watching this video after Black Friday, all of this stuff still applies. You can activate this promotion at any time. So I'm going to quickly show you exactly what's going on here. Before I do so, I need to illustrate really kind of how I do content in the first place, and then also how the offers work for me. If you're unfamiliar with my content already, then I need to teach you these things really quickly in like 2 minutes, like quick stuff, and then I can tell you the proper strategy here that I want to share with you today. So what is an offer? Firstly, an offer is defined by what is the transformation that you're offering the prospect. If you have a particular client in mind, let's say dental clinics, for argument's sake, I know everybody goes there, let's just say dental. Let's say you work with dentists and you help them get more cosmetic patients, right? Your offer isn't Facebook ads, your offer is cosmetic patients. Ideally, you'd want to say a specific number, you would want to quantify that. So let's just say, for argument's sake, this may be a crazy number, but let's just say you help dentists get 25 paying cosmetic patients every month. 25 cosmetic patients every month. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write that down so I don't forget. So cosmetic patients for a dentist, right? That's what you help them do. You get 25 cosmetic patients for dentists every single month, okay? That's the offer. This is the offer. It's the transformation that you're offering. The transformation is the 25 cosmetic patients for dentists every month. That's the offer that you're offering. The transformation that you're offering somebody, okay? So you've got that in mind. You know the mechanism already. You're going to use, let's say, Facebook ads, and you're going to have a landing page and a nudge sequence or whatever. Like, you're going to have whatever you're going to have to generate 25 patients, because that's the important part. Now, once you have that, you create content about it. So now let me quickly explain the organic marketing stuff. And if you want to go more in depth in this later, on my YouTube there are other videos that go way more in depth on my organic marketing strategies. You can also get access to the free course that will do that, but I'm not recording this video to give you that free course. Let me move on to the point that I'm trying to make, right? So you have the offer in mind. In terms of the organic marketing, all you usually do on a daily basis or a near daily basis for the usual time, like most of the time, is you just create value content. You value-driven content, which you generate to nurture your audience. You don't necessarily create videos to create an audience. Like, a lot of people watch these videos and they say to me, Reece, you could really improve your thumbnails. And I say, that doesn't matter. I'm not trying to grow the audience on YouTube. I'm speaking very transparently here. I'm trying to nurture you guys. I'm trying to educate you guys and show you guys that I know what I'm talking about. That is why I create content. That's also why you should be creating content for your agencies. Create content not to generate traffic, but to nurture the traffic that you're already connected with. The growth side you can do as well, but first and foremost, especially if you're a newer agency, like beginner or between that 2 to 5K a month level, like mostly you're just going to be doing this to nurture people, okay? So the general organic strategy is like value content plus client wins / case studies if you have those. If you don't have those, then you have to do more value-based content. That is the general organic strategy. And in the organic strategy that I teach, we don't do any pitching. We don't do any call to actions. We don't do anything like that. It's just value, 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 value. The conversations and the meetings come from another part that I'm not going to talk about in this video. But really strictly, the organic marketing strategy is just value-based content. And then client wins, case studies, and things along those lines. Anything that's going to position you, I would say, as an authority in the niche, but it's not really that important. More so like an expert, like somebody that you really like, you know what you're talking about. That's the important thing when it comes to creating online, like original content. Organic content. So let me explain exactly how this comes into Black Friday and promotions. Because you can run what we call like a promotion cycle over the course of a week or 2 weeks, which you may launch every now and again. So for example, Black Friday, you can launch a promotion cycle. I think Thanksgiving, I mean, it's around Black Friday, right? So it's the same thing. Easter, you could do a promotion cycle. Like, you can do a promotion cycle at any time of the year that you decide. Let's just say that your agency has been been running for 6 months or a year. Like, you can use that as a reason to launch this promotion cycle. Like, again, you don't need to do it during just Black Friday. But the idea of the promotion cycle you've got the organic marketing cycle, which is used to grow your audience as a bonus, but most importantly, nurture your audience. And then when you release the promo cycle, you're releasing the promo cycle to an audience that is already nurtured. And when you release a promotion to an audience that's already nurtured, you give them the final push that they need to actually book in a call with you and take action. So really, this is just marketing strategies. Like, every business does it, so why shouldn't your agency do it too? So the idea here, let me really get to the base point of what you should be doing, is you should be promoting your service, but in a very, very specific way. Because if you just say, hey, yeah, like, buy our service, this is what we do, I mean, that's not very exciting. So what I'm going to recommend that you do for Black Friday and as a promotion cycle in general is add an irresistible guarantee if possible. If not, just make sure that your offer is strictly irresistible. 25, let's change this. So it's going to be, we're going to just, let's grab this, let's move it down here. So 25 cosmetic patients for dentists every single month. Okay, obviously 25 plus cosmetic patients for dentists every single month. And then if you are incorporating some type of guarantee to that offer, it may be 25 plus cosmetic patients for dentists every single month, or your money back, or this or that, or this or that. Now, the trick is, you may be thinking, hey Reece, I'm broke right now, I can't give the money back if I don't succeed. The trick here is being able to guarantee that you can actually, uphold this guarantee. You shouldn't be offering guarantees that you can't uphold, that you don't at least have like a 90% win rate when it comes to actually upholding this guarantee. If you're operating a guarantee where it's based on luck, this is going to set a really, really bad position for you as the agency, and it's also setting a really bad relationship between you and the client. You don't want to tell them, hey, we can get you 25 cosmetic patients every month guaranteed, if you don't believe that you can genuinely do that. So you must have a system in place to actually uphold that. And I will write that down. Have a system in place to uphold your guarantees. Otherwise, you shouldn't really be you shouldn't really be offering guarantees if you don't have a system in place that you can actually use to guarantee the guarantee. So 25 cosmetic patients every month guaranteed, or like other ways that you can communicate that, you can say 25 cosmetic patients for guarantees every month. 25 cosmetic patients for dentists every month guaranteed, or 25 patients for dentists every month, or your money back. Or we'll get you 25 cosmetic patients every month, or we'll refund you, something along those lines. So we'll get your dental clinic 25 plus cosmetic patients every month, or we'll give you your money back. Give you your money back. Now, what you want to do is, even if you usually run this guarantee anyway, you want to reposition it, change it up a little bit, and then announce it as like a new offer. Like, if you do change up your guarantee, then it is a new offer. It is something new. So you want to, if you usually have 25 plus cosmetic patients every month, all will work for free, like, just change that. So for like a week or two for Black Friday or whatever promotion cycle you're running, just say 25 cosmetic patients every month, all your money back. What was the core difference was going to be, like, usually you do all will work for free, and now you're doing all your money back. So you're just changing what the guarantee is, and you're making it even more irresistible. Now, here's the key. When you launch this at the right time, where you have an audience that is already nurtured, always warmed up, ready to buy, and you launch an incredible, irresistible offer, people will start paying attention. It also gives you a reason to actually start being more I'm trying to avoid using the word pushy, but a little bit more persistent with getting people on a call, because you're offering something that truly, truly can help these people. And that's why I'm saying, do not offer a guarantee if you can't actually guarantee the guarantee. If you can't guarantee the result, do not offer the guarantee in the first place. It's going to cause a lot of issues for you. So the first step here must be that you have a system in place on the back end to actually make sure that you can uphold all of this stuff. A good service delivery system, a great onboarding system, and a great way that you're going to communicate with your clients once they're on board. If you don't have those systems, then don't do anything for Black Friday. Wait until later and do a promotion cycle later. Like, if you're short on time, then you should be working on those systems. If you can incorporate some type of guarantee, do it. Again, I've just given examples today for dentists, but this can apply to everything. Let's just say that you work with roofers. We can say that we can get you 15 qualified qualified quotes every month, or your money back. Or if you're working with I don't know, like people that sell cars, dealerships, you know, you can say, hey, we get dealerships, 10 new buyers or seller of cars, like I don't know, whatever offers you offer in the dealership space, but you could do that, or your money back, or will work for free, or whatever it may be. And the last thing that I'll mention is you don't necessarily need to have a guarantee. You could just do like a paper win. So you could say, hey, for Black Friday, we're not charging any retainers. We're going to work completely for free and just take a commission out of your revenue. Now, this is going to work really well if you do email marketing. If you do some type of service where there's no upfront cost for you and you can just run it, and then you can take on like 5 clients and you can just do everything that you can to get them results. There are a lot of people that do email marketing that just do this for free anyway. So you might as well reposition it and say that you're just doing it as your promotion. Like just say, hey, look, for this promotion cycle, we're not charging upfront cost. We're going to write all of your emails for the next 30 days completely for free. By the way, you can do this for Christmas. If I'm giving you like a really, giving you the core secret here, like Christmas is coming up as well. If you're in a Western country or a country that celebrates Christmas, you can just run this campaign as well. You can just say, hey, to celebrate Christmas, we're going to write your first 30 days of content completely for free. And that could be like if you're a copywriter, even if you're doing like long form to short form reels, like you can use this offer there as well. You can use this offer for so many different things. Just say, hey, we're going to do 30 days of content for you completely for free, and then we're just going to take a commission later. So actually the reels won't work, but if there's something that you're doing that will generate money directly and you can offer like a commission based structure for it, do it. Like you can do it for these promotion cycles. You're not going to do it all the time, but it also gives you like a 2-week period just to test it out and see how these are things are connecting with the market. So I'm going to wrap up this video here. I hope everything's made sense. In the description down below, you're going to find 2 links. You're going to find the first one is going to be to get access to the free course where I show you how to set up your 6-figure foundations in 7 days for your agency. So if you're struggling right now between 2 to 5K a month, then go ahead, get access to that course. It will show you how to start removing yourself from the business, start automating and delegating activities in your business so you can start scaling. So that's the first thing. The second thing, if you're looking for one-on-one help with someone like myself who has already built an agency and you would like to get more help in actually booking consistent meetings, growing your team and scaling from there, I would recommend that you go down below and click the link that says to book in a one-on-one call with me. There's no sales reps, just me, and we can discuss if and how I may be able to help you actually scale your agency. So I'd highly recommend that you go ahead and click one of those links down the bottom, just depending on where you're at right now, and then we can take things from there. But thank you for watching. If you've got any comments, leave them down below in the comment section, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great promotion cycle. I hope you're going to kill it. And also, like, report your wins back to me. Like, just shoot me a message on Facebook or IG, and let me know how this works out for you, because I'm very, very excited to hear about it. So yeah, take care, and I'll see you all soon.